Damn. Hello, welcome to this week's video. This week is a Christmas theme, seen as it is Christmas. This last couple of weeks have been fairly busy. Haven't been able to get into the shed to do any Christmassy themed turnings. I have done a couple of carvings while I've been watching Will play cricket. So at cricket training I've been doing a few carvings of Santas, as you can see here. The wood is Tasmanian hewn pine, which is a fine closed grain wood. Beautiful wood for carving. It's got a nice smell about it once you start cutting into it. At the last minute I got a chance to get into the shed and I thought I'd make a bauble. Bauble? Is that how you say it? Bauble? Just like the one that's pictured here. So I thought I'd try a mistletoe bauble this time. I thought I'd kill two birds with the one stone. I'd get a bauble and it'd be made out of mistletoe, and hopefully I'd get a kiss under the mistletoe. Haven't told my wife yet, but she might agree to it. But he's hoping. Anyway, I'd started turning the mistletoe and it was fairly punky. Inside had a few holes and voids, so I managed to super glue them up. I didn't use any resin on this mistletoe. Normally the resin fills all the holes and the cracks, so what ended up going to be a fairly easy and a quick turning took quite a fair while to do it. I got it, hollowed out the mistletoe, and then I started on the finials. And I thought I'd use some of the branches off the mistletoe, and of course once I got into it, it was rotten and punky and ended up broke up on me and I couldn't use them. So then I got a black wattle. There was a black wattle off the farm and I had some of it lying around, so I did the finial in the black wattle and it came up quite well. It was fairly similar colour to the mistletoe. I think it complements the mistletoe. So I've got that just in time for Christmas. It'll go on the tree. So that'll be the last video for this year, I would say. In this video I had the fan going all the time and it's a fairly noisy fan, so I've turned the volume down and put a bit of music on instead on this video. So hopefully the next video I'll have the fan turned off and you'll be able to hear everything I'm doing. Anyway, I hope you have a safe and Merry Christmas and I'll see you all next year. Cheerio.